from 14 to 19, that was still getting taken out. I didn't know. And from my understanding is that those rear arrears can be dropped.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
Kayla Navarrete. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. It's my understanding that the parties have reached some issues. So I'm going to ask Mr. Hawkins to, or agreement on some issues. I'm going to ask Mr. Hawkins to tell me what those agreements are. And as you're called as witnesses for the remaining issues, I'll ask you a couple of questions about those agreements. So, Mr. Hawkins, what part would you like to tell me what has
Happily,
been
Your Honor.
agreed to, please?
Parties had a chance to confer and have come to the following partial agreement. Parties agree that Ms. Navarrete will carry insurance available at another source at a cost of $0 a month. Mr. Mendoza's gross monthly income will be $1,655. His net monthly income is $1,494.14. No child, one child, no others. Guideline rate 20%. Monthly child support will be $299 a month beginning in January 1st. Monthly medical support will be $0 a month beginning January the 1st. And that concludes the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, then go ahead and call your first witness for the remaining issues.
First and foremost, Your Honor, the state would like to offer the updated pay record in this matter, marked as State's Exhibit 1.
All right. Ms. Navarrete, are you familiar with the pay record that the Attorney General's office keeps?
Not really.
Where it shows how much child support's owed?
Oh,
and
yeah,
what's
yeah,
been
yeah.
paid?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Do you have any objection to me having one of those pay records from your case that was run on December 3rd of this year as evidence?
And not just on the how I log into it, but other than that,
Okay.
that's
Do you have any objection to me having the document as evidence?
oh no, that's fine.
All right, thank you. Mr. Mendoza, are you familiar with the pay record that the Attorney General's office keeps?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objection with me having this copy of a pay record in your case that was run on December 3rd of this year as evidence?
No, ma'am. No.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Are you talking to me, Mr. Mendoza?
No, ma'am. I'm actually at work right
Okay.
now, and I'm on lunch break
All right.
right now. So
Well, yeah, I heard voices, so.
yeah,
All right,
it's
I got you. All right,
all right.
State's
Thank you.
Exhibit 1, the financial activity report or payment record in this matter is admitted.
The state would then call Ms. Navarrete.
Ms. Navarrete, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Mendoza, I may have to mute you if that's going to keep going on because I can't understand what people.
Yeah. Give me one. It's because I'm at work
I
and I couldn't take the
understand.
day off.
I
Yeah, just give me
understand,
one
but
second.
I can mute you so you can still hear, but then I can hear Ms.
Yeah,
Navarrete.
no, yeah, that's fine. That's
Okay.
that's good with me.
Okay, thank you. All right, sorry about that, Ms. Navarrete. Ms. Navarrete,
That's
did
fine.
you hear the announcements that Mr. Hawkins just made as to the agreement? Is that a yes?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Is that your understanding of the agreement on those issues?
I understand that. I just think
Okay.
that
Is it still your agreement? Is it actually your
um
agreement?
what am I doing this sticky note? So the lady had the other lady had said as well the $299. So that's all he was gonna have to pay because he didn't feel that he was responsible for the
Okay, Ms. Navarrete, this is not the time to try to tell me anything yet. Either you still agree to what was you said, told him you agreed to, or you don't. And if you don't, we just have a hearing on the issue. Do you still agree to the $299 and
yes.
you carry the insurance at zero? Are you sure?
I
I
mean
don't mind having a hearing. I just need to, we need to keep the
what
flow
else am
going.
I what else am I supposed to do? I mean, that's just what it is.
Okay, yeah, the math is the math. Okay, so all right, Mr. Hawkins, go ahead.
Ms. Navarrete, could you please state your full name for the record?
Kayla Navarrete.
And Ms. Navarrete, at any point in time, has Mr. Mendoza had the child for an excess amount of time outside of the visitation order?
No.
Has he ever paid you anything directly as child support, so not through the state disbursement unit?
No.
Is there anything else you think the court needs to know specifically about arrears and whatnot today?
No.
I pass this witness.
Okay, I've got a little tag at the front of it. Do you need to address that? I'm showing it flagged.
I will, just abundance of caution then. Miss Navarrete, do you have any safety concerns with Mr. Mendoza or any other third party getting a hold of your phone number, address, anything like that?
No,
Okay, so you're comfortable with them being a part of the order today?
that's fine.
With that, I pass this witness.
All right. Um,
The state would then call Mr. Mendoza.
well, we need to get him back on. Mr. Mendoza, can you unmute, please? Thank you. First
You're
of all,
welcome,
Mr.
ma'am.
Mendoza, as an unrepresented party, you have the right to cross-examine the witness. It's not your time to tell me anything yet. You're about to be called as a witness. Do you have any questions you feel like you need to ask Ms. Navarrete about what she testified to?
Nah, just that I
Okay.
don't agree with the rears.
Okay, well, we're about to get you're about to get your chance. So, Mr. Mendoza, if you could get on camera and raise your right hand, please.
Oh, that's my leg. Hold
Yeah,
on.
your other right. Okay. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You may put your hand down. Mr. Mendoza, did you hear the announcement Mr. Hawkins made at the beginning of the hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that your understanding of the agreement on those issues?
Yes, ma'am.
And as to those issues only, is that in fact your agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Hawkins.
Mr. Mendoza, could you please state your full name for the record?
It's Freddie Mendoza Jr.
And Mr. Mendoza, you heard Miss Navarrete testify as to whether or not you had the kiddo for an extended amount of time outside the visitation order. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Do you disagree with anything she said that I asked about?
No, not really. I mean, I haven't been able to see him in a minute, so I mean, it is what
So,
it is.
but you disagree with the rears?
Yeah, I do, because honestly, the 5 years that I was locked up from 14 to 19, that was still getting taken out. I didn't know, and from my understanding is that those arrears can be dropped by her, and that's on her decision. But from the last time that I had a conversation with her about it, she said she didn't want to do it. So therefore, that's why I don't agree with the 800 because of that simple fact.
So your
And
issue
even at
today
that,
is on the arrear amount, saying for that time frame you shouldn't owe any money for that time
yeah,
frame.
yes, because I mean there was no way I could pay.
Did you file anything with the court to get any of that changed or anything like that, sir?
I did years back when I first got out, and they said they couldn't do nothing about it. The only person that could take care of that is her, and that's what I got understood earlier
And when were you released?
in 2019.
Okay. And that is that your only issue with the rears, just that incarceration period?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, that's really what put me behind.
Is there anything else you think the judge needs to know about this case
Um,
involving these arrears specifically?
no, that's really my main issue.
That I pass this witness, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Navarrete, as an unrepresented party, you have the right to cross-examine the witness. Do you have any questions you feel you need to ask Mr. Mendoza?
No.
Alrighty. Mr. Mendoza, you said that it's when you were incarcerated that got you behind, but I'm showing the last payment was in February of this year. What's been
Yeah.
going on?
Well, I had some issues going on, and then like right now I'm facing court. I mean, some charges that I picked up, and then I might be
Okay.
going back to prison, and that's the only issue on that. That if that
Okay.
does happen, that if y'all can hold off until I get out. And well,
Well,
since February, I mean, I've been working here, so it's been off and on jobs, and
all
it's
right.
yeah,
Now, you really need to be checking your pay stub and making sure that they're withholding because
yeah,
they did not withhold or they have not
yeah,
withheld since February.
yeah. That's what I've been trying to
Okay.
figure out too. Like,
Did you tell the Attorney General's office that you were working there?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They said basically if they're taking out taxes that they should be able to take it out.
Okay. So you're not a 1099 employee?
I don't think so.
Okay. You expect to get
I'm
a
not.
W-2 at the end of the year?
Yes, ma'am. I'm pretty sure.
Okay. You also go through other gaps where you've all
Yeah,
right. And on top of that, they took a judgment in uh March of 2020.
they took
Did you
what?
There was an order entered in March of 2020, or the last order was entered in April of 2020, and it took a judgment. So, did you not dispute the arrears then?
I think I did, and that's
Okay.
what I was saying that the
Okay.
last time we had that conversation too as well,
All
and
right. So, you understand I can't go behind that judgment. I can't
uh,
overturn that judgment.
yeah, that's what
Okay.
I'm trying to explain is that we had this conversation too, and they had told me that they couldn't do nothing about it, that she would have to be the one to decide to do it. And my last agreement was that she didn't want to, or
Okay.
yeah, that's
Well, yeah,
what
it's
she.
not my money, so I can't just make it go away.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And if
Okay.
that's the case, then I'm not agreeing to nothing except 300.
Well, no, you mean the 299?
Yes, ma'am, the 299.
Okay, that's fine. I intended to enter a ruling on the rest of it anyway.
All righty, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, anything else, Mr. Mendoza, that you want to add about the issue before the court?
No, ma'am, this should be it. That's just my
All
main
right.
issue is that.
Anything else, Mr. Hawkins?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Navarrete?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Then here's what we're going to do. Court finds I have jurisdiction over the parties and over the subject matter. I accept the parties' agreement. I find that Mr. Mendoza has a decrease in his gross and net monthly income, and that a modification is appropriate. And I order Mr. Mendoza to pay current support of $299 a month beginning January 1st, 2026, and cash medical support of $0 beginning January 1st, 2026. Then I order Ms. Navarrete to maintain the child on the medical insurance available to her from another source. I do find that Mr. Mendoza had a prior child support obligation in which he's in arrears, and I enter a child support arrears judgment against him of $92,683.49 as of November 30th, 2025. And I order Mr. Mendoza to make payment on that judgment at $500 a month beginning January 1st, 2026. Likewise, Mr. Mendoza had a cash medical support obligation in which he's in arrears, and I enter a medical support arrears judgment against him of $2,332.29 as of November 30th, 2025, and order him to make payment on that judgment at an additional $50 a month beginning January 1st, 2026. I authorize wage withholding. All payments must still go through the state disbursement unit. Any unreimbursed medical expenses are still split between the parents 50-50. I deny any request for non-disclosure of information. And I order Mr. Mendoza to pay the court costs in this matter due as billed to Pecos County District Clerk's Office in 30 days. Is that all your issues, Mr. Hawkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what happens now is Mr. Hawkins is going to put all this in writing. He'll send it to me. I'll check it, sign it, send it back. And then the Attorney General's office will send each of you a copy of that order. Now, if anybody does not like what I've ruled, you each have the right to ask the district court to rehear any or all of it. It's called a de novo, but it must be filed in 3 business days. That's Wednesday of next week. And if you don't do it just right, you might not get very far with it. So I do strongly suggest that if you want to do that, you at least talk to a private attorney about how to do that. It's not my job to tell anybody to